Hello. Today I am making some Italian carrots. I took and washed a bunch of carrots. I make a lot of these because my family loves these. These have been in my family. My Nonie always made these every year at any kind of dinners and at Christmas time and Thanksgiving, and we call them Italian carrots, and they're very good. So I'm cutting off my ends. I have organic carrots, and I cut off both ends if they need to be. And then I just roughly chop them. And I probably did about, I don't know, 15, 20 or more carrots. And keep your hands out of the way when you're chopping those. And what I'll do is I steam them. You can boil them too. I just steam them. I put them on my steamer that I've had for years. I've had the steamer for like 15 years. I've always used the steamer. So I put them in the steamer and I just cook them for however long they need to cook. So what I'll do is I'll cook these. When they're tender, I'll take them out and put them in a bowl. Pour a little bit just to coat them barely, of olive oil and parsley and powdered garlic, and mix that up. I just sprinkle the powdered garlic, I sprinkle the parsley, mix them up, and they are just absolutely wonderful. I don't peel my carrots, I just put them in. The vitamins are all right there, and nobody ever knows. So I never peel my carrots. I did growing up, but I don't these days, and I'm using organic too. So I'm just going to let these steam, and I'll be back. Okay, these are done. They can maybe cook for a couple more minutes. They're nice and tender. So I'll turn them off, and I'll just let them sit there because I don't need to do anything with them yet. Okay, I want to show you my Nonie's carrots. I just remember these all the time that my Nonie made them. We lost Nonie in 2011. A little Italian lady named Mafalda Joy. These I can just now, as soon as I smelled them, it was like reminding me of Nonie. Okay, so they are steamed, and all I take is I just dropped a gigantic thing of pepper, seasoned pepper, all over the floor, and it's everywhere. So I need to clean that up. So I just take and drizzle, let me see if I can kind of figure out, olive oil. Probably about 2 tablespoons. I'm just guessing, 2 tablespoons, just enough to coat it. And I take and just throw on probably a couple tablespoons, or maybe a tablespoon of parsley. Mix that. These don't even need salt or anything. These are just good, just like this. And then I take and sprinkle some garlic powder. Probably about a teaspoon. See, my Nonie always told me when she'd tell me how to make stuff is you got to smell it. And I can smell it. It's smelling really good. I'd love for you to comment if you make these and tell me how you liked them. I hope your family likes these. They are just really good. So there are Nonie's Italian carrots. Have a great day. Bye-bye.